Sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna try some Avalanche Amber Ale from Breckenridge. It's aged in whiskey barrels.
Yeah, I'm quite a bit ahead. Yeah, there you go.
Maybe.
I don't know. I mean, if it was up at the top, that
When
would
I-
be,
when
it
I get
would
to the
be
drink,
two finger line.
Hey, when I get to the drink, it's fine. See? Look.
All right.
Smell good.
Good.
Yeah, right up to your nose. I don't know if that's on its own or because I'm drinking root beer. Ooh, there's the aftertaste. Ooh, there's the aftertaste.
It's 11.8 APV, and I don't know. I thought it was pretty good.
The initial taste, yes.
Oh, no thanks.
No,
Was the same with you?
No,
Or is
not
this
even
the
the
whole
initial
thing?
taste.
Just
It's
the whole
didn't
thing,
like
yeah.
any of it.
it's a little heavier for an ale, but I like heavier beers.
Oh.
I definitely don't think it's that bad.
I don't know. It's just how it's biting my mouth and tongue. I don't know.
It definitely has a bitter aftertaste, but kind of like in the way that coffee does.
Like it's subsiding now.
Overall, not bad. I'm HorrorChef. Okay, I guess that.
That's Emerald Stronghold Entertainment. He's the strong silent type. You're watching JKRTV. Like, share, comment, subscribe.